These Japanese water stones work really well for sharpening your chisels and your hand planes. I made a quick cedar block with anti-slip material to help me out. It's finished with oiled linseed oil. Cedar is naturally water resistant. I didn't want water on the workbench, so I used the lid, which slid around quite a bit. My next version will be with cedar. So here we're using the matchfit workhorse that Jay Bates sent me 3 years ago. Has a variety of dovetailed grooves that work with the matchfit system to hold your workpieces. This vise works really well. It has grip tape on one side to really give you a great holding power. You just have to make sure to tighten the matchfit clamps. I'm double checking with my fingers to see if the blade is protruding as much as I want it to, and I'm also double checking it with my vision to see if it's evenly revealed along the throat of the hand plane. Then I'm going to apply some beeswax to the sole of the hand plane. That makes it slide easier. I buy my hand planes at antique shops or estate sales. They have really good steel so that the blade holds an edge longer.